Hi. So, Halo and I have a little story for you. When I think back, my great-grandfather, my grandfather, my father, and even my brothers launched and ran restaurants. Everything from Italian food to cafes to fish and chip shops. And from Brooklyn, New York to Hawaii to Australia, all over the world. I even remember when I was young, my dad actually converting an old A&W drive-in into the first Italian restaurant on the island of Guam. It was amazing. So I spent my childhood dodging hot ovens and sneaking cannolis out of the walk-in fridge. And so the opportunity to speak at LS Retail's event for quick serve restaurants is an absolute honor. I'm Robbie Minicola, by the way. I lead the partner strategy for the retail and consumer goods industry here at Microsoft. We're all going to get together on the 8th of October live and have a great chat about the impact of COVID-19 on this industry. And I often wonder what my family, what my parents and grandparents and great-grandparents would have done. How would they have reacted during this time? So super excited to see you then, and I hope you can make it. Take care. Say goodbye, Halo. Jesus sleep.